What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I'm a little hyped right now because I just got a new GoPro and I just made my first ever GoPro video. But we got the charger right here and we're about to go terrorize the back roads. I thought this would look way more beautiful. Oh, this is a disappointment. Let's go wake some people up and terrorize the back roads with my new GoPro and my exhaust. It's not even a full straight pipe yet, but it still sounds crazy loud. But it is 10 a.m. and I really want to wake up some people in the back roads, cause why not? And the back roads, I can do whatever I want and like there's barely anybody to supervise it. And I'm just gonna teleport to the GoPro. What the hell? We're supposed to spawn into the video. Oh shit, oh never mind. I forgot to show y'all. The GoPro is this one right here. This is a GoPro, I think it's called a GoPro system. This is a GoPro session that I got from online and it's pretty good. It doesn't have active stabilization, but I am going to get a better one in the near future. But for now, this is a pretty good one. This is my head mount, but I have curly hair and this is a pain to put on, especially because it messes up my hair completely. But now that y'all seen the GoPro and y'all know what's about to go on, let's get straight into the video. Shit wasn't on manual mode, bro. What the heck? That's so stupid, bro. I thought it was on manual mode, so I started trying to spin that car. I'm not even pressing on the gas, by the way. I'm barely tapping the gas and I'm already losing control. And like, y'all, look, I have traction control on. So like, it's not even off, like, bro. But I know y'all heard that. I thought it was gonna be like a sunny day outside too. At least I'm getting like high RPM, so like y'all can hear literally everything. I'm like legit only pressing the gas like this. Like I'm not even flooring it. Like this is what happens when I floor, okay? What the heck? Bro, we have traction when I floor it, but when I don't floor it, we don't have traction. Oh shit, I forgot I'm on third gear. Let me go back Also, big body truck. Hold on, look how wide that truck is, dog. Holy shit. And I love how this car, even though it's a big boat, it's still like the traction on this car and like the turning on this car is pretty smooth. That's what I love about this car. Like you can feel every horsepower. You can experience every little bit of horsepower. You tap the gas a little bit, you're doing burnouts. If you floor, you're spinning out, doing burnouts at every light, bro. It's so fun. Do the cows know what a naturally aspirated 5.7 liter V8 sounds like? Think they'll mind if I do a little burnout right here? Holy shit, look at that. Transmission temperature, damn, 190. Usually it's supposed to be at like 200, but I think it's pretty cold outside, so it's like not that bad.
My little B-roll keep on. Only for reserve.
if I go from second gear, it's gonna go faster. But if like you go from fourth gear, you're not gonna go fast. Like right now, it's not slowing down as quick. But if I look at that, it's gonna slow down way quicker. And we made it. Beautiful. I need new brakes, dog. My brakes are cooked. Let me turn that on. Alright. Alright, y'all. We made it to the spot. That's the view right there. I hope you guys can see it. There's the car. And I hope you guys enjoyed, man. More content like that coming up. You know, it's my first time doing POV content with my GoPro. And I mean, it's amazing because I can create content like this while, you know, having music on. I don't think anybody gives a fuck back here. Alright. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys' help. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And just leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys want to see next, because I just want to make more content for you like this, and it just motivates me to do more. But I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace out. Love y'all.
They hoe trying to seduce me, 'cause I'm the fucking brick man. They hoe trying to seduce me, 'cause I'm the fucking brick man.